everybody, welcome to another episode of Max Wellness. My name is Nurse Max. Today in my hand, I have my clean, dry, organic bitter leaves right here. And we're going to make a tea out of it. Whilst we do that, we're going to talk about some of the health benefits that these amazing leaves provide. So please, if you don't know, please watch this. So I get my kettle of water boiling. I'm going to put some of the bitter leaves in this pot. Just a little bit. Just like this. And then I pour my hot water on it, directly on the leaves. We let it sit for a little bit, and then it turns into a tea, and then we talk about its benefits. So now let's talk about some of the amazing benefits of bitter leaves. Bitter leaves is shown to have, number one, anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that bitter leaf contains a potent or high potent anti-inflammatory properties. This can help prevent chronic diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Bitter leaf is also high in antioxidants. Bitter leaf contains high antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants can help prevent oxidative stress and reduce the presence of free radicals in the body and prevent diseases such as cancer and heart disease. That is very important. If you have cancer, keep drinking your bitter leaves. Bitter leaves have also been shown to aid in digestion. So bitter leaves help stimulate your digestive system and help in the secretion of digestive juice. And this digestive juice help alleviate digestive problems such as constipation, bloating, and gas. The fourth property of bitter leaf is that it can help boost your immunity. That is also very important for everybody. Bitter leaves is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, iron, and calcium. And all these vitamins are essential for healthy immune system. Bitter leaf can also help lower your blood sugar levels. So for those people who are diabetic, drinking bitter leaf in the morning or every morning can help reduce your blood sugar levels. So the sixth and the final properties of bitter leaf is that it has anti-malaria properties. And this is very important, or this goes to my African friends or people who live in the tropics like Brazil and Mexico and even Florida. Those people who live in the tropics, this is very important for you to have some bitter leaf tea every morning or on a regular basis. Why? So bitter leaves contain substances such as vanillin, flavonoid, and terpenoid. And these substances have anti-malaria properties. And this helps prevent or helps in the treatment of malaria. Alright, so let's see if our tea is ready so that we can enjoy our bitter leaf tea. Our tea came out nice. And you can add honey because it's bitter. You know, not a lot of people like bitter stuff. Or you can add lemon to it and enjoy it. So let's enjoy. It's bitter. Trust me. So somebody may ask, how do I get bitter leaves? I live in US or I live in Europe. How do I get myself a bitter leaf? You can go on Etsy and order yourself some bitter leaf. If you live in Africa, it's good for you. You can go to the back or the food market or the backyard market. If you live in Ghana, you can go to the Medina market or the regular Wednesday market and get yourself bitter leaf. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Max Wellness today. Our only aim is to help you maximize your wellness one video at a time. And please subscribe, share, and put us on post notification for more wellness videos like this. Thank you.